Hi, my name is Ryo Sakai. I am owner chef of Kuma Sushi, and this is what's in my basket. This is the Oroshigane spoon from Ox from Tsubame Sanjo. I have a particular fondness for products from Sanjo because I am from Niigata Prefecture. And this one in particular is kind of great because if you want to put a little bit of ginger in your tea, you can grate it directly onto the spoon and then mix it directly into your teacup. Do such things with, like, if you want to add a little bit of extra garlic on your products, this would actually work really well for that. This is a rice from my home prefecture. The particular strain is called Koshihikari and it's one of the most well-known strains from Niigata. Very small grain, very sweet, a very fragrant rice. Delicious for just even making plain onigiri with salt and nori. Super compact, so you can bring it along with you on your little camping trip. This is the Oshinko press. I have fond memories of this because my mom owned something very similar to this. Great for asazuke, which is like a very light pickle and could be stored in your fridge. And it's easy to clean. This is the benriner, a Japanese slicing mandolin. Many people don't know this, but the word benri means useful in Japanese, and it's definitely a useful tool. This one in particular is their newest version, has a little bit of a slip guard on the bottom, and the adjusting mechanism in the back is nice and big, so you're not having to deal with a tiny dial. Be careful with this product because it is actually extremely sharp, and I've seen a lot of people lose a portion of their nails. These are pruning shears for gardening, but I like to use it to remove fins from fish. They're quite durable, very easy to clean, pretty to look at as well. It's got a nice shiny blade on it. I use them at both of my restaurants. This is a handmade palm tawashi. Tawashi is a great product for cleaning things. You can use it to even clean your nails. Trick is to not to apply too much pressure and let the bristle do its work. Great for cleaning vegetables, great for cleaning pans. All around great product. Checking out the Benchmade and Sachi pulled this one. This is the Benchmade bailout. It's my everyday carry knife. As a cook or a chef, a lot of times you're breaking down boxes, opening boxes, so it's nice to have something close by on you. So this is the fish butchery book from Josh Nealon. Very well shot, very beautiful. You can even see the dorsal fin of the bluefin tuna on the top here. A product that actually I sell at my restaurant. Bunch of amazing pictures and excellent tips on catching and breaking down fish and cooking fish, you name it. So this is an excellent book to grab. This is a Queen's gochujang. It's an excellent product. I like to use it for making even like sundobu, like just putting a little bit of it. It's almost like a cheat code into making Korean foods. Also great for making tteokbokki. Kyle has grabbed these for me. So this is the Hitohira Aideba, also known as a mioroshi. Aideba is a type of deba that is a bit more in between, let's just say like a yanagi and also a deba. Very similar in shape to a chef knife, but if you're looking for something with a single bevel, this is a perfect knife for you. It's great for breaking down fluke or halibut. All around good weight in it too, so you can easily chop products with it. And between the 240 and the 210, I feel the 210 is a little bit more practical. It's a little bit more nimble. So I think I'll go with the 210. This is another product from Sanjo. It's fish tweezer that's extra large. So it's great for people with bigger hands. You can use the smaller tip here to pull out smaller fish bone, or you can use the whole width of it to pull out a couple of salmon pin bones at a time. My name is Ryo, owner chef of Kuma Sushi, and that's what's in my basket. Thanks for watching.